Hello friends, today we are going to start lesson number 3 of class 5th and name of our lesson is be a good listener. Now let's start. Now what is mean by listener? And listener means ones who listens to some people, other people, to anyone. Okay? Listener means who listen other. Now be a good listener. In this lesson we are going to learn how to be a good listener. What are the qualities of the good listener? Now, let's start. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language or when you are dealing with other people. It is important to be a good listener. Okay, it is very important when you are dealing with other people or when you are learning anything that here they told us example of a language particularly when you learning any language or learning any new thing at that time it is very important to be a good listener. Without listening it anything carefully we can't understand this thing, so that it is very important while learning anything new, while learning a language or when you are dealing with other people, when we learn listen other people carefully, then and then we understand what the people want to say. That means it is very important to be a good listener while learning language and while dealing with other people. Are you a good listener? Now, tell me. Are you a good listener? Do you feel that you are listening to the other people carefully? You are listening to your teachers like your parents carefully? Now, you can find it out with the help of the following questions. Now, how can we find out the answer of this question? Are you a good listener or not? Here we have three questions. With the help of these three questions, we can find out that uh, you are a good listener or not. Now, question number 1. When you are listening to someone, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? Now, here, question number 1 is what? When you are listening to someone. Suppose your mother or your teacher talking with you. When they are talking with you, do you look at the person? That means suppose you are in your classroom and teacher is talking with you. Teacher are teaching you something. At that time, do you look at the person? At that time, do you look at your teacher or the person who are talking with you, or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? Or instead of looking at the person, instead of hearing that person, do you turn your head or away or toy with something else? Or instead of looking at that person, do you busy with others something else? That means do you busy with toy or turn your head? That means ignore the person who are talking with you and not listening them carefully. Now find out answer of this question. Okay, good listeners look at the speaker. Now, to be a good listener, it is very important that look at the speaker. Good listener always look at the speaker. Speaker means the person who are talking with you. That means this is the first quality of the good listener. Now, second one. Number 2. Do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Okay, first is what? Look at the speaker. It is very important. And second one is not only look at the person, along with that, attention to what the speaker is saying. That means try to understand what the speaker want to say. Okay, that for that purpose, it is very important to that pay attention. Pay attention. That means listen it carefully. Look, good listeners pay close attention to the speaker. Good listener always pay a close attention to the speaker. That means attention means listen it carefully. This is the second quality of the good listener. Good listener pay close attention to the speaker. Now, number 3. Do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? Now, it is not only up to the look at the speaker or pay attention to the speaker. It is very important that what does speaker want to say. That means we have to take a special effort to understand the meaning of the speaker. That means what does speaker want to say to you. Here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. Now, for our better understanding, here are some things are given so that we can easily understand what the speaker want to say. First, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context. Now, here understanding is means what? Suppose speaker is speaking with you and you are listening them carefully. But when speaker is speaking, their speaker are mention some new words, unfamiliar words that are not known by you. At that time, the words your task is what? Guess the meaning of the context. Guess the meaning of the word from the context. That means you have to guess the meaning of unfamiliar words that speaker said. Now, second one, you can try to guess what the speaker will say next. Okay. Then next one, try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker or even when you disagree with the speaker. Now here, try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker. Some people don't pay attention when they feel that I don't understand what the speaker want to say, what the speaker are talking with us. At that time, such a people do not pay attention or they don't listening carefully to the speaker. But or even if you do not understand anything, then also you have to keep listening. Keep listening. Or even when you disagree with the speaker, and even when you are not your opinion and speaker opinion is different, you are not agree with the speaker. That speaker, if speaker say something and you do not like it, you do not agree with the speaker, at that time also you have to speak it, listen it carefully. Then wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying. Now it is the it is it shows the patience quality of the listener. Okay, don't disturb the speaker while they are speaking with you. Okay, wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying. Wait for the what wait for the moment when he finish it. Okay, then you can get your doubts clarified by asking polite questions. And when he finished the topic, then you can ask your doubt and clarify your doubt by asking a polite questions. And while asking a questions for clarify your doubt, at that time asking it politely, that means in very soft language. Do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions. If you do not understand what is being said, put your questions to the speaker politely. Always ask the question to the speaker when you do not get the point. If you do not understand what the speaker said to you, always ask your question in polite manner. Sometimes it helps to note down important words or points even as you listen. At the time of you listening to the speaker, simultaneously you can also note down important points in your notebook for your future reference. Lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of difficult word or phrase later on. The things were noted in your notebook, it will help you in future. That means it will help you later on to understand or grasp the meaning of the some unknown things or the things which do not understand earlier.